Alright, so we have focus this brand and then just a bag of Crayolas. So remember what I was telling you about crayons, how they can use people for safety? So I have the Play-Doh crayon and the Crayola crayon. Different sizes, different brands, but I used green crayons for both. Go ahead and take the wrapper off of this one.
I would have to break it, but I do know another way. How to make a tear.
No, don't put it there.
Where can I put it?
Just go throw it in the little red table for now. Kenzie. So once I get these stuck in here, what we're going to do is what?
Burn them.
Because crayons can be used as what?
Candles.
In case of any...
Emergency.
So this Crayola crayon doesn't want to stay.
Maybe steal it.
Okay. So in theory, we're supposed to be able to light these crayons and they're supposed to burn like candles. But do you have a bigger lighter, do you? Back to this. Bro, I'm gonna kneel down. Okay. So again, what are we doing here? We're lighting crayons as candles?
Yeah.
Because in case of an emergency, you're supposed to be able to burn crayons as candles? Alright.
Okay, so that's what this whole thing is?
Yep, and all I was doing was melting the bottom a little bit so they would stand up.
Okay.
And I'm doing it in an old ashtray for containment and safety. No? You're supposed to be able to light them. But they are not lighting.
Are you supposed to have the paper on the outside of them to use as the wick, or?
I don't know. I don't think so. We can try one with the paper on the outside to see if it'll work. I have the crayons in the box in the back of the van.
Okay, hang on. Miss Lady, how about you walk around the camera so you're not getting...
Oof. We need to sweep our driveway. Daddy has a Crayola. You get the Play-Doh.
You are good, sir, okay?
That's really not being a candle.
Oh.
Science!
Let's try this one.
How about we try the pink one? I want to do pink.
Then grab the pink.
And Daddy's just trying to do his...
Just grab a crayon out, sweetheart. Good thing we tried it now, so we would know in case of emergency.
Yeah.
Put it in there. Excuse your booty.
Okay, that one's on. 3, 2, Kenzie, move.
Alright, come here, Kenzie. Now we're going to try it with the paper. No, it's because it's a little windy out, so.
What? You think so?
So this is the Crayola one that I'm trying now.
Yeah, it melts fast. That one did, anyways. It's starting to smoke a little bit.
What happened?
Hang on, it melted, and we're getting a little bit of a reaction off the wrapper, but
Not really.
Daddy just stepped right in front of the camera.
Bless you.
Hang on, mister.
Water bottle.
I It smells like plastic.
Mm-hmm. I was gonna say I just got a whiff of that too.
Yes. Yes, you may. That's fine. You get two, so your brother can have one as well, okay?
So I'm not knowing if like we're doing this wrong. It just doesn't really work. Got it.
There we go. So it does need the wrapper on the outside to act as the wick. So it's like a reverse candle. The wick is on the outside, while the wax is on the inside.
And it's supposed to burn forever. And it's going to go out obviously because we have wind.
Well, now that we have it going, it might stay. So here, before you start the pink one, I was going to say, why don't I just break the tip off and start that way? Because maybe if we melt it, to flip it over, so melt the tip down and then use the flat edge so there's less wax there. But just keep trying it. Melt it down.
Kenzie, we got it.
Yeah, it was the paper had to be on the outside. Okay.
Now, if you ever would have to use this in emergency, I really hope that you are doing it safe. You have a plate or an ashtray or something and water nearby.
No.
And it's only meant as like a little light. Alright, I had it for a second, but it went out.
Alright, hang on.
It's just the wind.
No, I see a piece.
I know, I'm saying the pink one I had lit for a second, but it went out because of the wind. There it goes. Alright. Pink one and the tan, beige, peach, whatever color one you want to call it, are both going.
Here's yours, kid.
And yes, pumpkin pie, you got one too. Why do I feel like it's dinner time?
That's normally when we're trying to do our
Me
experiments.
too.
I don't know what time it is. No, it's only 2:30.
Yeah. Like I said, normally that's when we try to do our experiments is when it's dinner time.
Sweetie, can you put this into the back of the van for mommy? Thank you. So, and
All
they're
right.
still going. The wind is blowing enough that it'll put like a normal flame out, and they haven't gone out, and it's a pretty decent sized flame. So, if we ever needed to, in case of an emergency, and in fact, here's a big gust of wind right there that will normally blow something out.
My guess is if we were to
And we bought a bag of crayons at a garage sale for $1 to do this with.
yeah.
Kind of lemony. But at the same time, orange like.
Put it in there. That works, I guess. And yeah, you can see it's a big gust of winds are coming and they're staying lit. So these would work in case of emergencies. Good to know. And it's good for you to know, Kenzie, in case of an emergency, how you could have a little light
Mm-hmm.
and some heat.
If it gets really cold. Well,
It doesn't give off too much, but just enough. Like it wouldn't heat a whole room or house, and that is actually, watch out, how the pink crayon is actually doing more to the, okay,
So if you use the bottom end, the bottom side goes a lot faster.
and that's on new crayons, and it's,
Oh,
this is why I have the water pitcher,
Yes,
and
it's fine.
I'm telling our fans, this is why we have the water pitcher, and we're doing it outside.
Yeah. Here, we'll just lean it across. How's that?
And I think the orange, peach, whatever color one went out.
No, it's still smoldering.
The weird thing is, these play school crayons, I think might have a plastic wrapper base because look at.
Yeah, Kenzie found that in one of the other ones.
I know. I'm just saying. I think it is.
Yep, and there, all you have to do is knock a little bit of ash and it starts right up.
Mom.
Definitely takes a minute to get it started though.
So I think that's what it is when we were selling the plastic was from the school crayons has a plastic coating on the. It's a wax paper instead of like a paper.
Okay.
Because I can smell the.
Yeah, well, that might be a little too close.
Oop.
Interesting. But, okay, there we go. So we got 3 to work. How's your freezy pop? Sir, how's your freezy?
No. And he's in a white shirt. The best part about it all.
Well, it's a yellow freezy pop.
I know. And I can clean it and soak it.
Yeah. Okay, so.
And I'm done. They're staying lit. But I'm going to put them out because that wax paper smell on the pink one is kind of. We're having slight difficulties. So we're doing Mentos?
Mm-hmm.
You want to come and do them with me?
Alright, well, let's.
So we have 2 off-brand and 2 name brand.
Yes, and as everyone has seen on the challenges before, you get a chemical reaction when you add the Mentos to the soda, and I'm not gonna do all 4 at once. I'm gonna try the off-brand diet first. Okay, so open this up.
And I've always been told diet works better than regular.
Alright. And we're not going to try to do the slam bomb thing. No. We like our neighbors. So.
Yeah, we're not going to shoot it in the air. Sorry.
Alright. Start with 5?
Sure, see how it works?
Alright. You
I'm
ready?
gonna eat one.
Huh?
I'm gonna eat one.
Okay.
I want to eat a Mentos.
Hang on.
How many did you get in?
I got 2 in. That was 3. No. Apparently the whole. That wasn't a giant explosion off this one, but maybe the whole dumping the whole tube over thing like everyone else.
Actually,
Here.
really yummy.
Alright, so I'm doing the diet name brand.
Yep. And you're only doing 1 liters.
Yeah. Ready?
Yep.
Whoa! Whoa!
Okay, that was a much bigger reaction than the other.
And I think I got maybe half the tube in.
So about 4, maybe.
Maybe more, I don't know.
Well, there's 1 still in the pool down here.
Yeah, that was from yours.
Okay, well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at the bottom. And that was most of your liters gone. Alright.
And I would say maybe. Now that it's settled, about half of your regular diet. I think here is fine.
Okay.
I'm going to hide behind the stroller.
That's.
that one's already going.
Yeah. Alright. Now, I still have about half a tube in here, so I'm going to just go and.
Delayed reaction. That's
Again.
not bad.
Yeah.
Okay, remember, this is off-brand.
Yeah. It's like a chewy bent to come.
That one's ready to go too.
Apparently.
Apparently these were shook up a little bit.
Yeah.
Alright. And what I did for the last one too is I put my finger on the top, got it in place. Oh, nope, it didn't work. That was off of 1 though. And then I got some more in there.
Mm-hmm. You can still see the chain reaction down on the bottom.
Mentos are really yummy, Dad.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. 1 shot and it's done. There's still a little bit of a chain reaction at the bottom, but not a lot.
So that's all we did was 4 bottles this time around. If there's any other sodas that you want us to try, anything else you want to try, he's taking a bath in popsicle, let us know. We will be happy to do it. But I think we're gonna have to get him a bath. We're gonna go get some dinner, lunch, whatever time of day it is. I don't even know.
Lunch, and I'm gonna clean this up and wash myself up a little bit. Clean up the yard.
And for sure, out of all of them, the name brand Diet Coke did the best.
Mm-hmm.
So try Diet Coke if you want to do this.
And out of these two, the Diet Coke did a little bit better. Pepsi. We're gonna attempt one other thing.
Ready?
And let me zoom in.
I don't think I've ever seen anyone try to do it
Okay.
out of a can. So I don't know if you get the same kind of reaction. Different. You don't get the funnel explosion, the volcano out of it. But again, it's about half a can.
So it does about half. Alright, so this was our experiment today, and we did show you survival with the crayons if emergency happens, because storms and everything are at season. And then we showed you just a fun, quick candy and a soda, what happens.
Yeah. See. About half a can. Some that in there.
Mom, you want to play?
I know, honey.
Alright. So what do we say?
See you next time.
Bye!
Like, comment, subscribe.
Gummy-tastic, gummy-rific, all that jazz. See you around.